Hello, I'm Duncan Warnock from Warnock Accounting and welcome to the video. In today's video we're going to show you how to sort your Excel bank data into two different worksheets. One just containing the spend money transactions and the other worksheet containing the receive money transactions. Here's an example of a CSV file here. If not already saved as an Excel file, we suggest you do that up front, as once any formatting is applied to a CSV file, when you do save that file as a CSV, any formatting is lost. Okay, so we're going to copy the original transaction data in case we make a mistake. We can always go back and start again. So we're just going to call this a backup copy here. Now this file at the moment has bank account balances in column D. They're going to be misleading because we're going to sort this data into spend money, receive money, and at times it won't be in date order either. So let's get rid of that. We're now going to insert an extra row at the top and add some column headings: date, transaction amount, and transaction description that relates to the bank data we've exported from internet banking. We'll just add some formatting as well that is purely optional, but just makes the data a little bit easier to read and work through. This may include adding some color to the column headings and adding some borders between the columns. Okay, we're going to sort the data now, the transactions, and we're going to sort it primarily by transaction amount. This is so all the receive money transactions are grouped together and the spend money transactions are grouped together. So as you can see now, we've got all the spend money transactions at the top. We're going to add an extra column in column D here. We're going to call it transaction type. The spend money transactions we're going to call spend money. The reason for doing this, it just reduces the chances of making a mistake later on. For the receive money transactions, we're going to add a description of receive money. Okay, we now want to copy the spend money transactions into a new worksheet. We've copied and pasted. We'll rename the worksheet spend money to make it easy to identify later on. And we'll basically repeat the process for the receive money transactions. We'll just grab those receive money transactions now. We'll copy them. It's good to leave the original transactions as is in a separate worksheet in case we realise we've made a mistake later on and we don't have to start the process again. Alright, so there you have it. We've got the transaction split between receive money and spend money. This will enable us to do some further investigation as needed. And depending on your situation, you may need to work out which of these transactions are business transactions and potentially even calculate things such as GST as well. Alright, hope that was useful. Thanks for listening.